Hi students, let us go to the problem of probability. Here the problem is two chords. Two chords are selected at random from 10 chords numbered 1 to 10. There are 10 chords, they are numbered from 1 to 10. We have to select two chords among them. Find the probability that the sum is even. Sum is even if the first elementary problem is that two chords are drawn together. This is the condition. The two chords are drawn together. Second elementary question is the two chords are drawn one after the other with replacement. Okay. Now let us do the first problem. You know the number of exhaustive cases is same for these two questions. Okay. First of all, two chords are selected at random from chords are numbered as 1 to 10. These are the chords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally there are 10 chords. Okay. Among these 10 chords, we have to select two chords. The number of ways to select two chords, any two chords at random, the number of ways is given as number of exhaustive cases is equal to 10C2. Since there are 10 chords, we have to select two among 10. These are the combination 10C2. This value is given by 10 into 9 by 2 into 1 is equal to 45. Okay. 5 times cancel, 5 into 9, 45. Now let us do first problem. Okay. The two chords are drawn together. The two chords are drawn together. What is the condition? The probability that the sum is even. We have to find out the probability when the sum is even. Sum on faces must be even. Sum means, for example, if we select two chords 1 and 7, 1 plus 7, summation of these two numbers is 8, an even number. It is a favorable case. Selecting 1 and 7 is a favorable case. Selecting 1 and 2, it is not favorable case because 1 plus 2 is 3. Selecting 1 and 3 is also a favorable case because sum on the faces of this chord is 4, which is uneven. Similarly, selecting 1 and 9 is a favorable case. Okay. Similarly, if we select 2, what is the combination for 2 to get a favorable case? 2 plus 1, it is not a favorable case. 2 plus 3, if we select 2 and 3 chords, it is not favorable case because the sum is 5. If we select 2 and 4, it is a favorable case. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is even. Therefore, totally we can observe that we are observing that the selecting chords must be both of them as even or odds. Okay. How many even chords are there? How many odd chords are there? Here 5 even chords. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are even chords. There are 5 even chords. Similarly, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These 5 are odd chords. Therefore, the two chords are drawn and that sum of on these two chords must be sum. The two chords are drawn and the sum on these two chords must be even. To get even sum, we must choose any two of even chords or any two of odd chords, but we must select both of them as even or odd. Here we notice that there are 5 even chords and there are 5 even chords, there are 5 odd chords. We must select both of them as even chords, 2 chords among even chords to get sum as even. Therefore, the number of ways to select 2 even chords among, since we have to select among even chords, how many even chords are there? 5 even chords are there. Therefore, we have to select among these 5 chords. Okay. Therefore, 5C2. From 5 even chords, we are selecting 2 even chords. Therefore, 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. 2 times cancel, 10. Similarly, the number of ways to select 2 odd chords among, these are also 5 in number, therefore I have to select among 5 chords. Therefore 5C2 is equal to 10. Therefore, to get sum even, we have to choose 2 even chords or 2 odd chords. 2 even chords or, listen carefully, here we are using or. It is not product rule, it is sum rule. Okay. Therefore, totally the number of possible ways are favorable cases. Favorable cases is given as both of them are even, there are 10 possible ways, or both of them as odd, therefore 10 plus 10. Okay, remember that if we select both kinds, we have to use multiplication into that, but we have to select any one of the kind, that is we are using r, we have to use plus 10 plus 10, that is called sum rule. 10 plus 10, 20 ways are there. Okay, now required probability is equal to number of exhaustive cases by number of favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Number of favorable cases is 20 by number of exhaustive cases is 45. Okay, this is 4 by 9. Okay, now let us go to second elementary problem. Here the 2 chords are run one after the other with replacement. Okay, here I have to draw with replacement. Therefore, number of exhaustive cases is not same. It is only for first problem. For the second problem, adjust number of adjustive cases is different because here using replacement. We have to draw with replacement. Replacement means, for example, let us find out number of adjustive cases with replacement. See how many chords are there? There are totally 10 number chords. Among these 10 number chords, we have to select 2 chords. 2 chords we have to select at random. Okay. For example, you can choose 1 2 or 1 3 or 1 4 or 2 9 4 9. But number of adjustive cases is given as since we have to choose with replacement, we select a chord among these chords. Okay, then how many ways are there to get one single chord? There are 10 possible ways to select one chord. Okay, therefore 10 ways are there. 10. Then next we select another chord with replacement. Replacement means first we select a chord, then we have to replace it too. That means you have to put at the same place, and now again you have to choose another chord. Now in the second case also there are 10 ways because now you have already put the first chord in the same place. Therefore again to choose at the second case there are 10 possible ways. 10. Since we have to select both of them, we will use into, that is product rule. Okay, do you understand? You have to select 2 chords but not at a time. First we select a chord. Number of adjustive cases. Okay, first of all you have to select one chord, one single chord among 10 chords. How many ways are there to select a single chord? There are 10 possible ways to select one single chord. Okay, into we will replace that chord with another. That means you have to put the chord in the same place. Now we will try to select another chord, second chord. Since there are 10 chords, once again 10 possible ways are there to select that chord. 10 into 10, 100. Actually with replacement, without replacement what happened? Without replacement, if we select one chord one after the other, not at a time, if we select one single chord, how many ways are there? For selecting first chord 10 ways are there. 10 ways are there. Into, since we have to select both of them, we are using into. Next, since we did not replace it, there are only 9 ways because we have already select one single chord. For example, that is 1. Then there are only one chord is selected. There are only 9 chords. Therefore, there are only 9 ways. This is without replacement. This is with replacement. Okay. Now, number of possible ways now as before, you have to select both of them as even chords or both of them as odd chords. Both of them as even chords or both of them as odd chords. But here also we have to select one after the other without replacement. One after the other with replacement. Okay. Now, for example, if we select one even chord, there are how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 5 ways are there. 5 into. Again, we have to put in the same place. Now, there are again 5 chords. Therefore, we have to select among these 5 chords. 5 ways are there. 5 into 5. Okay. Therefore, number of possible ways to select both of the chords, both of the even chords, one after the other with replacement is equal to, first we select one even chord, there are 5 ways, into, since we replace it with another chord, there are again 5 ways to choose 5 chords, 5 even chords. Therefore 5 into 5, 25. Similarly, number of possible ways to select both of the odd chords to get even sum. Odd chords one after the other with replacement. We got 5 odd chords. We have to select 5 chords. Therefore, there are 5 possible ways. One chord from 5 ways. 5 chords. 5 ways. We have to replace first chord with replacement. Then we have to select next chord. There are 5 possible ways to select next also. Next chord also. Therefore, 5 into 5, 25. Totally number of possible cases are 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. Okay. Therefore, number of possible cases is equal to 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. Therefore, required probability is equal to number of favorable cases 50 by number of exhaustive cases. Number of exhaustive cases is equal to 100. 100. That is 1 by 2. This is required probability. Therefore, careful observation is required for the second problem. Here using 2 terms, so that is one after the other, and with replacement. Therefore, observe these 2 words, one after the other and replacement. Okay, this may possible be understand.